Good morning. I am about to go do my volunteer work this morning. Tuesday morning I do about an hour's worth of work, and on Thursday morning I do about an hour's worth of work. It's about 7:30, and I'm getting started early this morning, and then I take this paper up to the office and then I will start my day. I'm not sure really what I'm getting into today. So, my coffee. Gotta have my coffee while I'm working. Yeah. All right, let's get this day started. Okay, I know what I'm doing today. I'm in the truck. So, if you watched a video in the past month, I tried to go, 2 months? Well, anyway, I tried to go and get my truck registered, and it was gonna be like $1,000, and anyway, I didn't do that. And Rob told me, travels with Dottie, he said it didn't cost him anything. I'm like, I went to one of those here in New Mexico. They have, I don't know what you call them, DMVs. They work with the DMVs so that you can get your VIN inspection, and I could do my truck, register my truck, but I can't get my driver's license. And Rob told me he just went to the DMV in Carlsbad, the main DMV, and it didn't cost him anything, and he got his driver's license and his vehicle registered all at the same time. So I made an appointment today at 2:30 to do the exact same thing. So fingers crossed, let's see if it happens. Oh, you're missing your mom? She'll be right back. She'll be right back. Yes, you're so funny. He says, I'm gonna just sit here and look for all these people that are coming out of the store. One of them might be her. Huh? You cutie. What are you doing? Is that her? Is that her? Is that her? Oh, goodness. Oh. Where are you going over there? That's not her. That's not her. She's coming this way, though. Finn, look. Oh, there she is. Okay, I'm here at the motor vehicle department. Let's see if I can become a New Mexican resident.
Now serving versus 727 at counter 1.
All right. I'm a New Mexican and so I will tell you more about that. Remember when I went to that place and it was $1,000? Yeah, all I paid here was the registration, and I'll talk more about it. Okay, I bought some items to help Deborah paint her. Well, she bought them. I picked them out to help her paint her shed. She went in and got the paint, and I went in and got the supplies. So now we're heading back home. Did I say paint to paint her sheds? Yeah. Let's go. Oh no, look at my tomato plant. Oh no, all those tomatoes. That makes me want to cry. So I just shot this whole video, and in post-production there is no sound. It looks like I was doing it in slow-mo, so I don't know. So I put my new license plate on my truck. I'm no longer a Texan, so I'm gonna hang this up in my shop. Still need to take the one off the front. In Texas, you have to have 2 license plates, and the wind's blowing. I have a new microphone. Is it working? I guess we shall see. Look at my hair. Wind's blowing. Maybe I'll scoot over. I won't have so much wind. Still have wind. Anyway, I just wanted to recap. It's too much wind. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Real life filming. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So I want to do a little recap of, if you were with me a few months ago, I went to a private, I'm going to say it's private, I don't really know, independent agency that you can get your VIN inspection done and you can register your vehicle. I think in Roswell you can even get your license. I'm not sure about that, but the main thing you want to do is definitely go to that state's website and find out all the requirements and everything you need. And I'll explain a little bit more about that here in a minute. I cannot tell you why the agency was going to charge me. Look at my hair. I can't tell you why the agency was going to charge me sales tax again. I don't get it, but I knew something just wasn't right. And as I mentioned yesterday, Rob Travels with Dottie told me, I don't guess I need these sunglasses in here, told me that he just went to the regular DMV. So that's what I did. My driver's license cost me like $40, and my registration for 2 years was $140 something, 149, something like that. So that's not much different in Texas because I paid $74, I think, for 1 year. So this is a 2 year. My driver's license is an 8 year, and I could have gone less, so it would have been cheaper. But Sammy's in the camper. Anyway, so just get online. I made an appointment. Walked in there, and I had all the paperwork because I went to the website and I checked everything that I needed and got all the paperwork, so I didn't go and then they tell me everything I need. Just get on the website. And I got my new Social Security card. If you saw that video, I lost it. I have no idea how I lost it, but which is unnerving. But anyway, I did lose it. I don't know where. So I got my new Social Security card. I took my passport with me. I took my electric bill that I'd paid. I'd taken my to prove residency, whatever it says on the website. So I had to have 2 forms of residency and to get my driver's license because I had the real ID. They wanted my birth certificate, which I did not have. So I need to get me a copy of my birth certificate. I have it, but I don't have it with me. And I need to carry that with me. But she said, well, do you have your Social Security card or a passport or both? And I said, yes, I brought my passport. So if you just take all your documentation up front, I think it took about an hour, and we got my truck registered, and I got my driver's license. So now I just need to take the van and get it done, and I will probably do that sometime next week. But and I'm sure I'll take y'all along with me. But anyway, I'm gonna get this video uploaded, and I will see y'all in the next video.